Do you want to create pictures like this with Canva? In this video, I'll show you how to do it. So, let's get started. First, open a browser and go to canva.com. Click Discover Apps. Click Text to Image. Now, we can see two options: use in existing design or use in new design. I'll try it in new design. Choose a file type. I'll choose presentation. Here we are. Now, we can generate text to image with Canva. Just need our imagination. These are examples. And you can choose the style. After that, click Generate. Now, it's generating. Wait it patiently. Now, it's almost finished. Choose a picture. Yeah, it's finished. So, let's try another one. I've typed some text before this video. So, I'll copy the one. Type it in here. Now, I'll choose a style. Then, click Generate. Wow! In this way, you can generate text to image in Canva. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is useful for you, please like and share.